Hi there, this evening we have come to a firework display for Bonfire Night. For those of you who are not from the UK and do not know what Bonfire Night is, if we go back several hundred years to 1605, there was a man called Guy Fawkes who was part of a gang that wanted to blow up the Houses of Parliament so that they could kill King James I as he opened Parliament, and they wanted to have a Catholic monarch rather than a Protestant monarch as he was. So what happened was there was a tip-off and the Palace of Westminster, where the Houses of Parliament are, was searched, and the barrels of gunpowder were found and the plot was foiled, and that happened on the 5th of November 1605. And every year on the 5th of November ever since then we've celebrated Guy Fawkes Night, or Bonfire Night as it's called sometimes. The two names are interchangeable, with a bonfire and a firework display, just to celebrate Guy Fawkes' failure to kill King James I. So it's a little bit of a history lesson. So we're here for a fireworks display for Bonfire Night, so we'll catch up with you in a bit. Okay, we've come inside. We were really lucky. Somebody asked us if we'd got tickets, and we hadn't got tickets, and he had some spare ones, so he gave us some spare ones for free.
The best for the English language.
So we're really pleased. So over there, if we just kind of zoom in a bit, there we go. If we zoom in, we can see there's a great pile of crates. Now I'm going to guess that's where the bonfire is going to be later when they light it. And then somewhere over there, I'm guessing we're going to see the fireworks in a bit. At the moment we've got lots of stalls around, so we can get some food if we want to, and we can get lightsabers to wave around if we want to, and there's hot drinks. Oh, I can see some guys on that bonfire. What I didn't mention was another tradition for Bonfire Night is to make an effigy of Guy Fawkes, which is called, and we call it a guy, and it's basically old clothes stuffed with different things, newspaper usually, that you chuck on the bonfire to burn.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there we go. This is the first display. Now we've had the first little display over with, I'll just zoom in again. They're going to light the bonfire. Just see a bit of smoke coming off. I would imagine that would get going quite quickly because there's so many wooden crates there. They've got it going now. You can see the flames beginning to take. It's beginning to go a bit now, and there's still some crates to catch fire yet. You can just see how high the flames are now, and there are still some crates that haven't started to burn yet, and those flames are really, really high. Finally looks like all of the crates are burning now. Okay, we're counting down for the main firework display.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's better. We've enjoyed the displays. We didn't know that there was a little one before the main one. So they kind of had a little display, then they lit the bonfire, and then they had the main display. Fortunately, people were very, very kind because we were on a muddy field and the back wheels of George's chair got stuck. So 4 people helped. So between the 5 of us, me and the 4 people who helped, we got the chair off the field. It was hard work, but we got there. So thank you to the people who helped move the chair. We wouldn't have gotten off the field without you. We enjoyed the fireworks. They were good. And we're going to go home now and have a hot chocolate, which is the beverage of choice for a firework display.
Yes, it is.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and if you don't already, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.